It's time to learn the crow pose. To get started in your crow, you want to stand up and then squat down with your knees out. If you have a mat, be in the middle of the mat. If you don't, make sure you're doing this on some soft surface to start. Okay, when you're down here, you want to get out your crazy glue. If you don't think you have crazy glue, check in your back pocket. It's right there. Glue the backs of your arms to the inside of your knees. Okay, so my back of my arms are glued tight. They are not getting away from the sides of my knees. Now I want to take monster hands, place them onto the mat. Okay, go on to my toes, and this is called little crow. Okay, so I can hang out here and be just fine. If you want to try big crow, then you are going to look up and lean forward and see if you can get one toe to come off the ground. If you can get one toe off, try the other toe. And if you're feeling real good, you might try to lean forward and get both toes off the ground at the same time. Good luck with your crow. Happy flying. Caw-caw.